Motor as received. Motor safely offloaded using our 20 tons crane. View of the coupling before dismantling. View of the cooling fan. Grease ingress on the driving end bearing. View of the slip ring, dismantling in progress. Close-up view of flashed rotor leads. Excessive amount of carbon dust seen on the rear view of the slip ring. Close-up view of carbon brush holders and carbon brushes. View of the bearing on the driving end. View of the non-driving end. View of the stator after the rotor is removed. Close-up view of the winding seen with excessive carbon dust contaminant. View of the stator on the non-connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the non-connection end. The main rotor. Excessive carbon dust seen on the rotor. The stator after cleaning, varnishing and application of anti-tracking paint. Close-up view of the winding on connection end. View of the stator on the non-connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the non-connection end. Anti-tracking paint applied on the main rotor after cleaning and vanishing. View of the slip ring after skimming. New leads fitted and secured. Overhead view of the stator. View of the connection end after rotor is inserted. New SKF bearing fitted. View of the non-connection end after rotor is inserted into the stator. Enough grease applied on the bearing. Motor painted, tested and ready for collection. Motor safely and carefully loaded on the truck using our 20 tons crane. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.